It's time for tech. Google accidentally leaked the Pixel 7s, the S22 Ultra has display issues before its release, and there are new reports on Apple's next phones and MacBooks. All this and more is coming up next on Tech Device News. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are coming with new hardware upgrades. The new processor will be GS201, replacing GS102 on the Pixel 6s. This is the next upgrade for Google's Tensor processor, and the codename is Cloud Ripper. This is all the information that we have now that's been leaked through the Android 13 code. Some early Galaxy S22 Ultra users are experiencing display issues before the wide release has even started. The screens are flashing static bands across the display when viewing videos or playing games. The users are able to bypass the issue by swapping the color profile or going into a different display resolution. This only happens to the international Exynos 2200 version of the phones, and not with people using the S22s with the Snapdragon processor. This isn't great for a product that's starting to be released, but hopefully Samsung can work out the issue through software before everyone receives their devices. Apple's rumored folding device will be delayed until 2025. It was scheduled to launch around 2023 to 2024, so this is a pretty big delay for them. This was reported from the Display Supply Chain Consultants Report, or DSCC report. There is also talks about a larger sized foldable at 20 inches from Apple. Unfortunately, we'll be waiting a while for that day though. But what we won't be waiting long for is the iPhone 14 Pro, now that it's undergoing trial production by Foxconn. This is good news since the design we've seen is finalized now. There will also be a second supplier this year that will be producing lower-end iPhone 14 models. The renders, shared by Apple leaker John Prosser, show some design elements from the iPhone 4 and 5 with circular buttons and no camera bump. There will also be a new notch design for at least the Pro models. Sony unveiled their PlayStation VR 2 headset to compare with the Meta Quest for gaming. Sony's headset does need to connect to a PlayStation to run, however, just like the first edition. Head tracking and 4K graphics will also be supported with all of this, so we'll have to see how it compares with the Quest once it ships. Before the end of this episode, new voices for Siri are being added in iOS 15.4. There will be 3 in total now, and here's how the new one sounds.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to more tech content like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.